What if I told you the pain you're carrying right now is not a punishment, but a promotion from Allah? What if the silence you fear is actually Allah preparing something so powerful that if you saw it right now, you would fall into sujood in tears? You feel tired, you feel broken, you feel like no one understands what you're going through. And maybe you're right. Because the truth is, Allah gives the heaviest tests to the strongest hearts, not to crush them, but to raise them, to purify them, to rewrite their destiny. Allah took something away from you? Good. Because maybe what you lost was standing in the way of what you're meant to become. Allah delayed something for you? Good. Because maybe what you want is nothing compared to what Allah is preparing. Allah made you wait? Then congratulations, because waiting is the signature of those Allah loves the most. Right now, while you cry in your room, while you wipe tears nobody sees, while you pretend to be strong in front of the world, the angels are writing every moment. Not a single sigh is ignored. Not a single tear is wasted. Not a single dua goes unanswered. Allah says, I am near. But we forget, near doesn't mean we see Him. Near means He sees us. Do you know why Allah sometimes breaks your heart? Because a broken heart has more entrances for His light. Do you know why Allah isolates you? Because He wants you to hear Him without the noise of the world. Do you know why your life suddenly changes? Because growth never begins in comfort. It begins in chaos. There will come a day, and it's closer than you think, when everything will make sense. The dua you cried for, the people you lost, the doors that slammed in your face, the nights you couldn't sleep, the heartbreak you thought would destroy you, they will turn into the reason you become stronger, wiser, and closer to Allah. And you will look back and say, Ya Allah, you were planning all of this for me. So don't stop, don't break, don't let your soul fall apart, because the story Allah is writing for you is worth every tear you've shed. Raise your hands, cry if you need to, complain only to Him, and remember, Allah doesn't take you to the edge of a cliff to push you off. He brings you there so you can see the view of the place He's elevating you to. Your test is temporary, your reward is eternal, and your patience is about to open a door you never imagined. Hold on. Your miracle is on the way.